School safety begins at our front door. It's written on the front door of Cheyenne Elementary School in Macomb. According to the Macomb County Sheriff, a discovery made late at night on March 3rd has put the assistant county prosecutor in some trouble with the law. A jacket belonging to Steve Fox was found inside the school. In a zipped-up pocket of that jacket, a handgun. We're told it was a janitor who ultimately found the gun, then called police. While it's legal if you have a concealed carry permit to openly carry in a school, you cannot carry a concealed weapon unless you have specific permission to do so under state law.
This is a really interesting wrinkle. What we have here is that we had a person who carried a gun off body, a gun in a coat, and that's one of those things that concealed carry holders have to be really cognizant of. When you don't carry a gun permanently affixed to your body in a holster, say in your waistband, outside your waistband, under the shoulder in the shoulder harness, or on an ankle rig, you really run the opportunity in which you could leave a gun behind.
Some argue the law about guns in schools are too confusing. That argument was made earlier this month in Ann Arbor after police were called when a 22-year-old legally carried a gun openly on school grounds.
It's very confusing, for a lot of people who conscientiously want to do the right thing.
Fox, the assistant county prosecutor for Macomb County, faces a $500 fine and could have his concealed pistol permit suspended for 6 months after this discovery.
If you make a mistake, you have to pay the consequences. But Steve Fox is a good prosecutor. He has a right to carry a gun. He's a prosecutor. He handles a lot of very difficult cases where people would be after him. He has to be a little more careful, though. And he admitted his mistake. He paid his fine, which was the penalty, and he'll be okay.
Everyone can agree they're thankful it was found while the students were not in school, and most importantly, no one was hurt.